Alright, bust it up. I didn't make that out of oak for no reason. Bust it up with a Louis. What do you think you're doing? No. Hey! Get that out of there. Get that out of there. You get that out of there. Where's your bat at? Where's your Louisville bat? Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Oh, let me see your smile. Let me see it. What do you do? Oh. Xavier. Xavier. Hey.